Quick video to show you how to clean out a gas fireplace. In this case, it's a Fireplace Xtrodinair. I have removed all of the logs and all of the glowing embers that were in here before and vacuumed out the entire fireplace, especially where these areas here where the flames come out. The other thing you want to make sure you do when you're doing this is to clean this off. This is what starts the fires. In this case, we have a system that does not require a pilot light, so the gas doesn't have to be running continuously, which is a nice feature. All right, now that this is all cleaned out, the other items you want to pick up at your fireplace store are new glowing embers and gas fireplace cleaner. And what you want to do with the gas fireplace cleaner, okay, is to put dab a little bit on a piece of paper and wipe it around in circles on the inside of the glass only. All right, it's gonna basically be like any kind of polish, and you're gonna let it dry, and then once it's dried, you just wipe it all off, just like you would a polish. Okay, and after that, you should be good to go. I'm gonna go and install the glowing embers now, the brand new glowing embers next. Just to show you how to apply the glass cleaner, you just put a dab on a paper towel and just rub it in a circular motion and let it dry afterwards. Just to show you, this is what the old glowing embers look like. Okay, they're kind of mushed up, and there's a lot of dust mixed in there too, so I think this was hindering the way the fireplace was working. It was taking forever for the fireplace to light. Okay, so you can see I'm going to replace all this with brand new. Okay, so you can see I'm putting the glowing embers right along the path of where the flames come out, and you can use a paintbrush, or you can just work it with your hands and kind of pull it apart, or even use a brush to brush it on. So here we are, everything's back and assembled again. I strongly recommend that you take a picture of your logs before you take them out so you can put them back in the right order, and make sure that all areas where clearance need to be made, it's there, and you should be good to go. Put the glass back on at this point. Now for the test. There we go. Second burner now on, so everything looks good, and we have a nice warm fire to enjoy.